Welcome back to Mad Investor. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to convert your BUSD to FDUSD and then to kind of whatever you want, which is USDT, BNB or other coins which kind of you desire, using Binance in less than 5 minutes, I'd say. So let's dig into that. So first, obviously, we're going to go to your wallet. So I have some leftover from BUSD. You might have the same from maybe some DeFi or DEXs, or maybe you were just holding that some of it on your hot wallets. And I have the same. So when I go to my MetaMask, you can see I have leftover of 58 BUSD. So this is what I want to withdraw. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go to my Binance account, and then you need to press deposit crypto. And within that, search for a coin, which is BUSD. If it doesn't search the coin, just try it again. It should find it because it's still kind of supported to deposit and convert. Then select the network and choose the network you kind of have your wallet on. So if you have it on Ethereum, remember to choose ERC20. If you have it on TRC, use TRX network. I'm gonna use BSC, which is BP20, because that's the network I have on my MetaMask wallet, which is connected to my ledger. So we're gonna choose that. Then it'll generate me the address. I'm gonna copy that address. And it also says you have successfully obtained the new BSC address. Great. So after copying, I'm gonna go to my MetaMask, and then I'm gonna press on BUSD and I'm gonna press send. So within the send, I'm gonna paste my address, but always double check that it's correct, because recently the new malware softwares actually, what they do when you copy it, it will paste a different address. So it's just waiting for that kind of option that it will swap the address for something else. Always double check if the address is actually the same. I'm double checking it right now and I can see that it is. Awesome. So as a kind of a test and showing you how it works, I'm gonna put 10 BUSD and then I'm gonna press next. It tells me this will be the gas, which is 0.000232221 BUSD, which is pretty decent, I think. So then press confirm, and after the confirmation, like, you need to just wait a bit. For me, I just need to accept it with my ledger, because I have a ledger connected to the MetaMask. After probably around 3 to 5 minutes, your money should arrive on your Binance. So after a few minutes, I can see that my deposit already arrived. As you can see, there is 10 BUSD arrived on my account, which is, you know, very easy and very kind of simple to do. So what you can do after, the simplest way to convert it is going to trade and go to convert and block trade. So convert and block trade actually allows you to convert it on the current market price. So I'm gonna change from BUSD, and as you can see, it immediately swapped to the FDUSD. You also have the info that Binance will see support for BUSD on the 12th of December. But, and this is what we're using, you may choose to convert your BUSD to FDUSD. So that means you cannot trade it, but you can deposit it and you can convert it to FDUSD. And this is kind of the, I think, best thing for everyone who still has some BUSD. So I'm gonna press 10, and it tells me I'm gonna get 10 FDUSD on that, and then I'm gonna press preview conversion, spot wallet, transaction fee, no fees, and press convert. And a few seconds later, boom, successful. You spent 10 BUSD and you got 10 FDUSD. So now what I can do, because I have 10 FDUSD, I can just, you know, choose FDUSD, and from here I can convert it to any other coin, because I can convert it to USDT or BNB or etc., or I can just trade it. As easy as that. So as you can this is the easiest way to sell your BUSD, which you currently have still on your wallet. If this tutorial has helped you, you know what to do, is just hit that like and subscribe so you won't miss any of the new notifications. And obviously, if you want more videos and tutorials like that, just comment below. If you have any questions, that's what the comment section is for. Rafael Sibila here, Mad Investor, and see you in the next video. Take care.